Shri Venkateshwara University Tirupati has an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Here is a detailed review of its MSc program starting with the placement rated 3.8 by students. According to the NIRF 2024 report, out of the 2,195 two-year PG graduating students, 232 or 11% were placed and 189 or 9% opted for higher studies. The placement rate declined in 2022-23 compared to 2021-22. As per student reviews, top recruiters like ISRO, BARC, Baxter, Anthem Biosciences and BioNeeds offered roles such as research scientist, assistant professor, instrumentation engineer and project analyst. The highest package was 30 lakh per annum, while the median package according to NIRF stood at 6 lakh per annum in 2022-23, maintaining a consistent trend since 2021-22. When compared to the neighbouring Vignan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research, the median package offered at SVU is on par with Vignan. Students also highlighted the 6-month internship program, which provides opportunities in cities like Pune, Gorakhpur and Rohtak. These internships are often in local industries or research labs and are typically unpaid. Next, let's take a look at the MSc program rated 4 out of 5 stars by students. It offers 54 specializations including animal biotechnology, biochemistry and bioinformatics. Admission is based on SVU CET scores requiring a minimum of 50% marks in graduation, and the total tuition fees is approximately 40,000 rupees for 2 years. Scholarships are available based on merit, sports and gender. In terms of infrastructure, SVU has a 4.3 star rated campus spread across an area of 1,000 acres in Tirupati. It features Wi-Fi enabled classrooms, seminar halls and a well-equipped lab for chemistry, physics and biology. The library is well stocked with resources for fields like architecture, construction and design. Hostel accommodations are available for both boys and girls, and the mess offers quality vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. The sports facilities are extensive with 2 floodlight tennis courts, basketball courts, volleyball courts and badminton courts. There is also an indoor hall for table tennis, carom, chess and badminton featuring wooden flooring and floodlights. Additionally, the campus houses a Siemens Center of Excellence, a healthcare center, guest houses and canteens. Turning our attention to the 4-star rated faculty and course. Faculty members are known for their knowledge, quality instruction and support in addressing student concerns. SVU also has partnerships with prestigious organizations like IJM, Annamacharya, ISER and Veterinary University Tirupati. Now moving on to the 4-star rated campus life. SVU organizes diverse events including a 2-week science academies, refresher course in biology and the 63rd International Workshop on Life Lessons from Francis Bacon and the Youth Festival Yuvatara. Lastly, Shri Venkateshwara University Tirupati is currently ranked within the 101 to 150 rank band in the NIRF 2024 overall category. For more details on Shri Venkateshwara University Tirupati and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.